Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DocuSign account security settings and audit trails step by step clearly. To start, log in to your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on My Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences menu, locate the Security Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Security Settings to access your account security features. Here, you will see various security options, including password requirements and two-factor authentication. Review these settings carefully to ensure they meet your security needs. Next, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. If it's not enabled, consider activating it for an added layer of protection. To do this, click the toggle switch to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to verify your phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive and enter the verification code. Once two-factor authentication is set up, return to the Security Settings page. Now that you've confirmed your security options, it's time to check your audit trails. Navigate back to the dashboard and click on the Manage tab. From here, select Envelopes to see a list of all your sent documents. Choose an envelope you want to review by clicking on its name. In the envelope details, look for the History tab. Click on the History tab to view the audit trail for that specific document. This will provide you with a detailed log of all actions taken on the envelope. Review the log for any unauthorized access or suspicious activity. You can download this audit trail by clicking on the Download button if needed. Once you've completed your review, return to the dashboard. Regularly checking your security settings and audit trails is crucial for maintaining account security. Make it a habit to perform these checks periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.